తప్పకుండా ఉండమని చెప్పిన వాళ్ళకి కొంచెం
Hello everyone, welcome to Vidachi. So today's live is all about the beautiful Kanchipattu sarees. I hope you love this session. Kanchipattu sarees అన్ని కూడా మనకి మ్యారేజ్ సీజన్ కి the perfect fit. I hope you will love the collections today. And now వెనకాల few beautiful mannequins ఉన్నాయండి. So I'll be explaining you each and every saree. Come, let's have a look. Yes, this is the first one, which is such a beautiful color, and the body is having full of metallic blue and booties, and the border is with maroon color and khadi zari border running on either sides. Such a beautiful colorful saree. So we'll see the next one. This is the floral. The body of the saree is with floral, and the border is a khadi zari border, which is pink in color, and this is having beautiful motifs all around. This is a floral with kanchi border, the different material. So we'll move on to the next one. This is another beautiful color which suits for everyone. This is yellow with red color, and the saree is having silver lines, silver zari, and you can even see the border. It's very pretty, and you have the peacock motifs, the beautiful design. And the next one, this is violet color with pink color border. The two bright colors in one saree, and the saree is with full of designs, intricate designs, and the khadi border. So you can see the difference, how beautiful, and the saree is also completely filled. And the next one, this is one more beautiful color, leaf green color with blue color border. Such a beautiful contrast, and the saree is with having a beautiful zari border, and it's a designer too. And the next saree, it's the favorite color for almost everyone. This is blue with pink. Such a beautiful combination. And the sari is having the beautiful zari work, which is golden zari, and a border with pretty designer khadi zari border. So if you love this sarees, please to take the screenshot and message to this number for the orders 7396382067. And even you can visit our store, which is Vedantri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada, which is open till 9 p.m. every day. And this is one of the beautiful color which suits for Muhurtam. This is red color with a beautiful khadi border. We have the floral designs and the peacock designs as well. And a green color piping, and the sarees with full of check patterns with rudraksh and peacock motifs all around. Such a beautiful collections. And another manchi beautiful kanchipattu sarees. I hope you will love this session. And make nachina saree need screenshot తీసి మా టీంకి మెసేజ్ చేయొచ్చు for the orders number. This is one of the subtle color, very beautiful color combination. You can see how beautiful the saree is with floral designs in the body, and the border is also having floral designs, which is violet in color. And the saree is having the beautiful floral pattern all over. This is the pallu with the intricate designs and with silver weave. Such a beautiful pallu. And for this we have got the contrast blouse with a bigger border. We can try half sleeves or above the elbows. Such a beautiful combination. You can see the saree is also very elegant. And this saree priced at 22,999. You can take the screenshot and message to our team for the orders. This is one more beautiful color. This is sea green with red color border. Such a beautiful combination. And for orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to our WhatsApp number such that our team will get back to you. And this is orange color border with beautiful floral zari border. And even the body is having tiny motifs, which is booties, golden color booties. This is the pallu, beautiful pallu with full of heavy designer and a golden zari. And for this, we have got the contrast blouse. This is the model and this is the blouse. We have got a contrast one with a plain color border, and the border is also very elegant. We can stitch it till half the elbows, and even we can go for the makam works. And this saree is priced at 23,299. For orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to our team such that they will get back to you your favorite saree at your doorstep. And this is one more beautiful color which is suitable for all the muhurtam. This is red with green, evergreen combination. And you can see the sarees with full of designer, which is with beautiful booties all around. And the border is also very elegant. The golden weave. It's a khadi zari border with two different sides running on either side. Such a beautiful color. This is the pallu. You can see the difference. Such a beautiful combination with golden weave. And for this we have got the contrast blouse. This is how we can team up, and we can even try the beautiful zari work, and even the border is really elegant. And the saree is priced at 16,999. For orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to the number. So you can see the number 7396382067, and you can even see the shipping charges for the local and non-local. Please do take the screenshot. This is one more beautiful traditional color. This is parrot green with blue color combination, such a prettiest. And even the border is different, running on both the sides. The sides are different, and the saree is with full of booties. The golden zari booties, and the saree is really elegant. And this is the pallu with heavy design, which is with a golden design, and it's a pure golden zari only. These are the pure kanchipattu sarees. And this is the blouse. We can team up. మనం మగ్గం వర్క్స్ కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. And this saree is priced at 18,999. The sarees are at the best of viewers price only. The beautiful kanchipattu sarees, the special of Vedantri. These are the beautiful collections from Vedantri, which is in Vijayawada, PVP Lane. This is one more beautiful color, pink color with green color piping all over, and the sarees with full of golden zari, and the border is also having beautiful designs on the chala pretty on the saree kuda. This is the pallu with the golden weave and the same color running all over. And for this we have got the same color blouse. It's a running blouse. If we want, even we can team up with the green color blouse as well. And this is the combination. Such a beautiful saree. For orders you need to take the screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number. And this price is 23,999. Hope you're loving all the collections. The beautiful colors today, and these are the pure Kanchipattu sarees. And the wedding scissor is getting here, so you can just pick up one beautiful saree for your wardrobe. And this is one more beautiful color with silver leaf. And the saree, body of the saree is having full of silver designs on it, silver zari designs. And the border is with golden zari. Two different sarees in this saree, and the border is having the florals at the end. Two heady borders running on either sides. And this is the pallu, the grand looking pallu with golden zari. Such a beautiful and intricate designs. And for this we have got the beautiful blouse with a golden color pattern. And this is how we can pair it up. And this saree is priced at 18,999. Everything is the best viewers price, so you can order onto this number, which is the orders number 73963820067. You can just order from where you are, and we are also shipping worldwide. And you can even visit our store, which is Gayatri Shopping Mall in Vijayawada, for physical visits. And this is one more beautiful color. So you can see the designs, how pretty they have printed, and the zari work is beautiful ga vachindi. And you can see the two different size borders running on either sides with golden weave. And the saree is also having beautiful intricate designs, which is thin florals running all over. And the saree is also looking really grand. We can pick it up for our favorite occasions. And here's the pallu. It's dark blue color and full of beautiful motifs. It's a golden zari andi. You can see the detailing clearly. And for this we have got a beautiful blouse, a contrast blouse. We can pair it up like this. We can even go with the half sleeves or above elbows. And this saree is priced at 22,999. The sarees are really pretty. The color combinations are also good. So you can just pick your favorite. For orders you need to take a screenshot and message to the team. And this is one more beautiful color, sea green color combination. The beautiful intricate designs running all over. And the border is also having pretty designer. Such a beautiful color with golden weave. And this is navy blue color border. You can see two different colors in the saree, and such a beautiful combination. And this is the pallu. Pallu is also so elegant with golden zari. Manam single ga kuda ila veskoni we can just flaunt it. And for this we have got a contrast blouse, which is navy blue color, bigger border. We have two size borders in the saree, you can observe. So we can stitch it as we like, and this is the perfect fit. We can stitch it till the elbows. And this saree is priced at 22,499. For orders, you need to take the screenshot of the saree and message to a team. They will assist you in all the ways. And this is one more beautiful color, everyone's favorite. This is dark pink with a beautiful border. The golden border, golden zari, khadi borders. And body of the saree మొత్తం కూడా మనకి beautiful designs వస్తుంది, which is beautiful motifs, which is in a cross shape patterns. Such a beautiful saree which suits for everyone, and the color is also really elegant. And here's the pallu, the contrast color with beautiful design all over, looking very elegant. And for this we have got a contrast blouse. So this is how the blouse looks, and very good. So like this we can pair it up. I hope you love this saree. If you love the saree, please do take the screenshot. And this saree is priced at 22,999. So today's live is all about the beautiful Kanchipattu sarees with a pure zari work. This is navy blue with red color, and the body is having full of beautiful motifs. The golden color motifs running all around, and the border is khadi borders running on either side with golden weave. Such a beautiful color saree. If you love the saree, please do take the screenshot and message to our team. This is the pallu, the red color pallu with golden weave. So elegant. And here's the blouse. The plain blouse is Sumali. We can just go with mangam works as well to make it look more elegant. This is how we can pair it up. And this saree is priced at 23,299. We'll move on to the next one. So this is the last one for today from the beautiful Kanchipattu sarees. This is sea green with violet color border. The saree is simple and elegant with motifs all around. The body of the saree is sea green with golden motifs. And the border is also with khadi borders running on either sides, which are different sides. And here's the pallu. Pallu is also really elegant. You can see the detailing and the zari design. It's looking really pretty. And for this we have got a contrast blouse. So this is how we can pair it up. It's a beautiful saree, and this saree is priced at 21,099. For orders you need to take the screenshot and message to our team. So here's the number. You can just take the screenshot of this. For orders you need to message onto the WhatsApp number, and the number is 739-638-2067. And you can also find the shipping charges as well. And yes, we are ending the live with the beautiful collection of Kanchipattu sarees. And again, we'll be back tomorrow with another beautiful range of collections. Till then, thank you.